everyone, I Ms. Suruchi Sawant. Today I am starting with my new YouTube educational channel Edu Infinity. My qualification, I have passed my standard 12th with 95% and I have given ample of competitive exams like JEE Mains and MSc CET. The main motive of this channel is to provide free educational lectures to each and every student and especially to those who can't afford classes. And after watching my video, if you have boosted up with your concept clearance and find it really helpful, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up by liking the video and share as much as possible with your friends. Now, without wasting the time, we will start with the first chapter of Maths of Standard 8th of MH Board, which is Rational and Irrational Numbers. Now, before starting practice at 1.1, you should know some of the important concepts. That is, what are natural numbers? All positive numbers are called as natural numbers. Means, if this is a number line, and we should plot 0 at the mid of the number line, and all positive numbers are at the right hand side from 0, and from left hand side of 0, all negative numbers we have to consider. Now, if we have asked with positive numbers, all positive numbers means if we should take example of natural numbers, we will get positive numbers means 1, 2, 3. So, example of natural numbers is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then, next further moving with whole numbers, all positive numbers including 0. So, positive numbers, the right hand side of number line means from 0 to right hand side of number line, that is 1, 2, 3. But this time we have to include 0, 2. So, example of whole numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then what are integers? Integers are whole number, positive or negative number or 0, which does not include fraction. Means, what is fraction? M upon n form. See, like this. M upon n means m upon m, where m is numerator and n is denominator. So, this is a fraction form. So, which means in integer we should not include fraction form. There should be negative and positive numbers and 0, 2. So, all negative and positive numbers will include integers including 0. So, example of integers would be 0, 1, 2, there till end infinity, and here negative we have to include 2, but only fraction is not allowed. All rest numbers on the number line are allowed. So, till infinity. And then further moving on with rational numbers, the numbers of the form m upon m, where m is a numerator and n is a denominator. Here m and n are integers but n is not 0. Means here we have to satisfy this condition that m upon m, just now I have explained, it is a fraction form where n should not equal to 0. N is equal to not 0. So, what are the examples of rational numbers? See, means in this time we should include fraction, that is minus 3 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, 0, then 1, 2, minus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2 and so on. So, this includes rational numbers. Now, moving on to practice at 1.1, what is the first question asking? Show the following numbers on the number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. Question number 1. 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. So now here for the first question we have plotted the number line. And all the numbers from the right hand side of 0 are positive. And from left hand side of 0 we have to plot negative numbers. So now here in question we have given a 3 by 2. Now here first we have to see the denominator. The denominator here is 2. Means the each unit is divided in 2 parts. Means what is units? 0 to 1. Here see. Here you can see that 0 to 1 is 1 unit. 0 to 2 is 2 unit. And 0 to 3 is 3 unit. Now we have to divide each unit by 2 because their denominator is 2. So we will 0, 1, 2. 1 unit, 1, 2. 2 unit, 1, 2. 3 unit. Same on the negative side. 1, 2, minus 1 unit, 1, 2, minus 2 unit, 1, 2, minus 3 unit. So, we have to plot 3 by 2 from 0. This is 1 by 2 units as each unit is divided into 2 parts. So, this point comes 1 by 2 units, this comes 2 by 2 units, 3 by 2. So, we have asked with 3 by 2. So, we will name it as 3 by 2 and we will for this point we will give the name A. And similarly 4 by 2, 5 by 2. We also asked for 5 by 2. So 5 upon 2, we will name it as B. The same on the negative side. So this is minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, then minus 3 by 2. We have asked with minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, and we will name it as C. Now some students might get confused that I gave this point name 2 by 2, but 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 itself, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So need not get confused. So we write the final answer. A is 3 by 2, B is 5 by 2, and point C is minus 3 by 2. Question number 2 and question number 3 we have to do by the same method. Now we will solve question number 4. In question number 4, we have given two rational numbers, that is 13 upon 10 minus 17 upon 10. First we have checked the denominator, so that is 10. So each unit will get divided into 10 parts. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 unit. Same on the negative side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, minus 1 unit. Now we have given with positive 13 by 10 units. So we have to plot it from positive, means from right hand side of the number line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here comes point 13 by 10, as each unit is divided into 10 parts. Similarly, minus 17 upon 10, that will come on the left hand side of 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here comes point minus 17 upon 10, as each unit is divided into 10 parts. We will name 13 by 10 as point A and minus 17 by 10 as point B. So in final solution we have to write point A is 13 by 10 and point B is minus 17 upon 10. Now further moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 says that observe the number line and answer the questions. Here we have given the number line, and first question says that which number is indicated by point B. So for this question, first we have to check where the point B is plotted. Point B is plotted over here. Then we have to check each unit is divided into how many parts. So here's point 0 and here's point minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here each unit is divided into 4 parts. So we have to count now where the point B is located. So minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, and minus 10 by 4. So answer is point B indicates number minus 10 by 4. Further moving on with the next question, that is question number 2, which one indicates the number 1 into 3 by 4. Here comes the mixed fraction concept. Now here's the trick to solve the mixed fraction concept, that is, first we have to multiply 4 with 1 and then add it by 3 and denominator as it is. So we get 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7 upon 4. So by solving this mixed fraction, we will get 7 upon 4. Now we have to check which one indicates 7 by 4 on a number line. As in the first question, we have checked that on a number line, each unit is divided into 4 parts. So this point comes 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, and 7 by 4. So point C is our answer. So here in the solution, we will write point C indicates the number 1, 3 by 4. Here, note that we can't write 7 by 4 because we have to specify what is given in the question. Next question, that is question number 3. State whether the statement, the point D denotes the number 5 by 2 is true or false. Now on a given number line, we will check whether point 5 by 2 denotes D or not. The first question, on a number line we have checked that each unit is divided into 4 parts. So this point comes point 1 by 4, 2 by 4, point 3 by 4, point 4 by 4, point 5 by 4, point 6 by 4, and point 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, and point 10 by 4. So now point 10 by 4 is nothing but 10 divided by 4, which is 5 by 2. So our answer comes true. So in the final solution, we will write true, the point D denotes the number 5 by 2. So here we end with the practice set 1.1. So what we have studied today. Now in the next session, we will complete this chapter by completing the remaining sets, that is set 1.2, practice set 1.3 and practice set 1.4. So share this video as much as possible with your friends, and if you have any queries or doubt, you can ask me in the comment section by messaging me or on my email ID, which is given in the description box. And to get notification of my further lectures, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and study well.